guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a crafty haul, and it is from thrift stores and antique shop, and then a store called Ben Franklin that is up in Ojai, California, where my friend lives, where my best friend lives. And so I wanted to share what I found. So starting with the thrift store, I found some books and I found a couple of games that I can use in junk journals. I found this golden book, and it's not real old, I don't believe. It's from 1988. Original print was 1960. But I just thought it was cute, and I thought it would be great to use to make a 4th of July junk journal. Then I found this Father Bear Comes Home. This one was from 1959. And I have a teddy bear junk journal that I want to make for somebody. And so, or some for my Etsy shop. So I just thought that would be cute. And I found this book as well to use in the teddy bear junk journal. It has some really cute illustrations in it. Really cute. And I believe these books were all $1.99. And then I found this Christmas book, and I like this because it has the Coca-Cola Santa in it. Just thought it was really cute. And then the two games I found was this bingo game. I got it for the bingo cards themselves. I got it to have the bingo cards that I can alter for my junk journals. Let me open it up here. So it has these cards. This one, I guess it's double-sided. Yeah. That's the coins, and then it comes with a bunch of different ones. There's that. And that one. I guess it's just two. No, three. No, it's just two. The blue and the pink, and then the yellow and the pink on that side. So, oh, and then this one. So there is more than one. So I just thought these would be great to alter. And then I found this game. It's called Stampin'. Something evidently the Postal Service came up with. It's a game, educational game to learn about collecting stamps. And so it has here's what that looks like, but I won't be using that. It has a bunch of cards that the game was never used, so nothing was punched out, but it's got a bunch of different cards of different stamps. So I thought it would be cute to use like in a travel theme. It also has like animals, butterflies, all kinds of things in there. And then it has these pieces. I probably won't use these because they're really thick, but it has these cash little money things, kind of like Monopoly money. So I thought those were really cute. So at the antique shop, I found this Bambi golden book. And I thought that was really cute. And then I found this set of napkins and placemats that has embroidery on it. So I was going to use these in my botanical junk journals. And then I found this pack of old maps that I can use in travel journals, but as well, I have a friend whose daughter is going to be having a baby, and their baby shower is like an adventure theme. So she wanted me to make her a banner that is, I think it's going on an adventure or something like that. So I thought I would use parts of these maps for the background of the banner. So there's several in here. South America, and this just looks like a world map. Here's the United States map. The whales of the world. That's cool. West Indies and Central America. And then this is Europe. And that looks like a topographical, oh, it's the Pacific Ocean floor. That's cool. These are all maps that looks like that were from the National Geographic. And then here's a Bible land map. Lands at the Bible. So that's cool. So I can get a lot of use out of that. And I think this was $4 for all of these maps. And as well, the napkins and the placemats were $4, and I think the book was like $2 or something like that. And then the last place I went was Ben Franklin, and it is a craft store, and they have all kinds of other stuff too, houseware kind of stuff and decorating and that. But I found this really cute fabric with the cats, and then they had this velvet ribbon that I thought went really well with it. So that will be really cute to make like a cat themed junk journal, but it could be like a baby, for a baby shower or something like that, a baby gift. And then I found this fabric. It is from a collection by Riley Blake Designs and Doodlebug Designs, and it's called Happy Camper. So I'm interested in looking to see, I'll look up Doodlebug Designs and see if they actually have some paper and stuff to go with this. But I got this to make some junk journals, like camping, hiking kind of theme. And then I found this ribbon that went really well with it, with the hearts. And then I also found this ribbon. It's a velvet ribbon to go with it. So that's what I found for this week. And probably in the next couple weeks. I'm not sure. I don't think I have plans of doing any more shopping for a couple more weeks. So I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. And I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.